Now let us take this example. 15 men can do a piece of work in 36 hours. How many men will be required to finish the work in 20 hours? Okay, here what are the two things are given? That is, two things are given. Men, okay, that is 15 men and hours. Okay, see, whenever you are doing by the easy method, then you have to write the sentence like that. When that is which sum you are doing it? Yeah, when 15 men can do a piece of work in 36 hours, then the number of men required to do the work in 20 hours will be like that. You should write it. After that, this box method you do it. Okay, then well, how many men here? Men, how many men here they are saying? That is 15 men. 15 men, how many hours? 35 hours. Okay, sorry, 36 hours. 15 men can complete in 36 hours. How many men? You will take it as X. How many men will be required to finish the work in 20 hours? Okay, I think 15 men can do 36. Then how many men will be required to finish the work in 20 hours? Okay, now understand here. Men, 15 men can complete the work in 36 hours. Okay, now understand in a unitary method base. Okay, when 15 men can complete the work in 36 hours. Okay, just understand, when 15 men can complete the work in 36 hours, then one man will complete in more hours or less hours. Okay, suppose if one work, मतलब एक टेबल बनाना है. Okay, ये वाला टेबल that is बनाना है. Okay, this is the work. Okay, now this table is made by 15 men in 36 hours. 15 men से 36 hours में बन गया. But same thing, the same table, if it is made by only one man, then he will take more time or less time. He will take naturally more time. So more time means you will multiply 36 into 50, more time. No, so more men, less time, less men, more time. See, more men, less time, less men, more time, less men, more time. So that means this is inverse proportion. So in the inverse proportion, what do you do? Multiply. 15 into 36 equal to 20 into x is 20x. Okay, now you have to find the value of the x. 15 into 36 by 20. Now 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4 9s are 3 9s are 27. Okay, so 27 men, they can complete the work in 20 hours. Okay, hope you understand this. In the inverse proportion, understand the inverse, whether it is inverse, how to understand. When 15 men can complete in 36 hours, then suppose if I take one man will take more hours. Okay, more men, less hours. एक आदमी से वही वाला काम बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. So less man, more hours. So that means less, more. So it is inverse. Inverse means multiplication. So this is how you will do it. This. Now the next sum is now question number 8. Now question number 8, 13 men can weave 117 baskets in a week. In a week means in 7 days. How many men will be needed to weave 189 baskets in 3 days? Okay, this type of sums where 3 quantities are given, when more than 2 quantities are given, we call it as compound variation. Okay, now this example I have taken from the book only. In the book you just see, you will see that example. Okay, 14 typists can type 6 hours a day. In one day they are typing 6 hours. They are typing for 6 hours. If they type for 6 hours in one day, then they can complete the job in 12 days. Now if 4 typists are there, okay, if 4 typists are there and if they type for 7 hours a day, in one day they are typing for 7 hours, then in how many days they complete it? Okay, now this question little bit so confusing because 3 quantities are there. So how to do in a shortcut way? See, in the copy you have done it by unitary method. So that way is also, if you have understood, you can do it. This is another way, arrow method we say. Arrow method is very easy one. Okay, you can understand. So what are the 3 things given here? Typist, hours, days. So write it, make 3 column. Typist, hours, days. Okay. First typist, 14 typists. They type that is 6 hours in a day. Then they complete it in 12 days. Then second column, 4 typists. They type 7 hours a day. Then you have to find how many days they are completing it. Okay. Now how to do this? Always wherever the x. Okay. Always what you have to find here, days. So whichever you have to find, that you write it at last. Okay. Now x which you have written here down. So that down arrow should be here where there is x. Okay. This is the rule. Okay. Wherever there is x, there the arrow should be there. Okay. Now you have to compare it. First you will be comparing the, now close this. First you will be comparing the typist and days. Okay. You will be comparing the typist and days, keeping the hours constant. Keeping the hours constant. Now how to understand this? See. 14 typists, if they type for 6 hours, okay, in one day, then they complete it in 12 days. Okay. If 4 typists, okay, if 4 typists, if they type for 6 hours in a day, they will complete in more days or less number of days? They will complete in more number of days. See, I am comparing typist and days, keeping the hours constant. Okay. For 14 typists also I am taking 6 hours. For 4 typists also I am taking 6 hours. Okay. So 14 typists, if they take 6 hours to complete it in 12 days, then 4 typists, if they work for 6 hours, how many days they will take? They will take more number of days. Okay, because 4 typists only working. So if they work for 6 hours, they will take more number of days. So less typists, then more number of days. More typists, less number of days. Inverse. See, that is more men, less days. Less men, more days. Inverse. This is when this is more or less. When it is inverse, where is the arrow mark is here down? Then this will be opposite. Okay, it will be opposite, up. Okay. Now you have compared typist and days. Now you will be comparing hours and days, keeping the typist constant. Keeping the typist constant. Now 14 typists can, if they type for 6 hours in a day, they complete in 12 days. Okay. If the same 14 typists, if they type for 7 hours a day, okay, if they type 6 hours, so रोज 6 hours type करते हैं, अभी 7 hours रोज type करते हैं, if they do it, then that 14 typists, they will complete in less number of days or more number of days? They will complete in less number of days. Okay. See, more time, less, more time, less, less time, more. So less hours, more days. Okay. More hours, if they work for more hours in one day, then they complete in less number of days. This is also inverse. So this will be putting the arrow mark. Okay. Now how will you doing this? Okay. Okay. Now you see how we'll be doing this. Now first arrow mark is wherever the arrow mark, that you will write x by, first arrow mark it is in x. Okay. X by 12 will write. Okay. Wherever the arrow mark, that one only should be written first. X by 12. Then x by 12 written equal to. Then next any one you write it. Okay. Then next arrow mark is where? 14. 14 by 4 equal to 14 by 4 into. Next arrow mark is where? 6. 6 by 7. 6 by 7. Okay. Now you have to find the x value. By 12 will go to the other side as into 12. Now you cancel it. You will get 36 days. So therefore 4 typists work for 7 hours a day, take 36 days to complete the full job.